not there yet. The lifeguards are not there yet.
Lifeguards are not here yet?
No.
So we might go to the place of the beach where they do have a lifeguard.
Well, maybe they might come in a bit. I don't know.
Det är flera honom. The garbage bins are here, so.
Oh, I can't.
Hi, Andy. I mean, Alex.
I'm the cutest one.
Why are you the cutest one?
Because I am.
You're just vain. Okay, we make the trek.
No, not carry you. Are you serious?
Wait till we get there. Mommy, can you please hold something? What's the place? Yeah. I can hold it. Wait,
Malik, what are we about to do? Do you want to tell everybody? Tell everybody what we're about to do?
We're about to go to the beach. And swim.
Hi, Makai. At the beach. Right, so we're going to set up the tents first.
I want to slip. Which one's the tent?
Mommy, do you have the cover for this?
I threw it away.
Why?
The tent that we're going to make.
I can't see anything.
I want to do it.
You're gone with the wind, Mommy.
Let's go soft.
I feel dizzy.
You should.
Ole.
Hold on, I will have to give you a...
Okay, now we're setting up our tent. Setting up our tent.
So you can use mine. Why not?
Makai, are you helping?
You better not think I'm filming.
She's gonna leave her.
I thought she was talking to me. No, not for the water.
Hey, hey.
No, mommy just going to take this.
Beach
Come to
control.
close.
Mommy, can I dip my hand in it? I think so.
You make sure there's no sound on it, huh?
Mommy. Look.
They're picking up the garbage.
Someone spilled Makai's water.
You just rested there? You expect it to stay?
No, I stuck it in that hole.
Here comes the garbage man, picking up the garbage.
Pick up this bottle of water.
He's looking at us. He's looking. Alex, you need to stop being so friendly.
Okay, where is the other one? It's to the walk.
Oh, sorry.
Now, can we go shopping? Let's go there. Maybe, do you want to go shopping?
Oh, they're not empty. They got water in it.
Are you keeping it?
Yeah, thank you. Makai, come here. Andy, come here. What is wrong with you? Come here. Andy, come here. Let's go back.
No.
Let's go back.
No.
We're not ready. Everybody's not ready. Let's go back. Go back.
You were going.
Go back.
I thought you were going. Ooh, see something.
Go back, you guys. Go back that way. Like they're telling them to get out the water. Because you're not supposed to be in the water with no lifeguards. Look at that. He's telling them get out.
They're not listening.
They're pretending they can't hear. Because I could clearly hear that lifeguard telling them get out the water.
No, you cannot.
I hear him.
Is that lady nude?
Nobody's. That's his face.
Oh my gosh.
That's just what his face looks like. Everybody with the angry face doesn't mean they're angry.
I would hate to be born with an angry or sad face. I like how they're walking so slow.
I know, right? I don't know why they went in that cold water in the first place. Who comes to the beach at 9:45?
I don't know. I'm the person who's around the city.